Hi guys, welcome back to TechSelect. So today we are here to learn how to delete all your text messages with a single click. As you can see, I have an Android phone, and to delete all the text messages in an Android phone with a single click is not possible. So you can see, if you have to delete all these messages, you have to click on every message, then you have to click delete, else you don't get any option here to delete all the messages. So if we will see, just click on there, we don't get any option to select all the messages to delete it in a single click. So today I will teach you how you can clear all these text messages. As you can see, my inbox is also full with lots of messages, thousands of messages. So let's get started. Okay, as it is a conversation style, so you can see you have multiple chats in a single SMS. So how to delete this? Just we will go to the Play Store, and you can download Truecaller, or else you have many of the people have it already installed. You can download this Truecaller. As I have already installed in my phone, just go to Truecaller, and here you can see there are many options. You can just go to messages. In messages, you can see all your messages that were displaying in your messages app. The same messages are being displayed here. So just click any of one messages, click on this three dots. Here you can see select all, and you can see here 89 messages have been selected. It is 89 conversations have been selected. So click on that three again, and you can see that 89 messages. Just click delete, and you can delete all the conversations from here. Okay, you can see 0. We will check from that message app also. All your messages have been deleted. Thank you for watching.